10 expensive concealed carry guns that are actually worth it. Looking for a concealed carry gun that's worth every penny? From cutting-edge innovation to legendary craftsmanship, these 10 expensive pistols deliver unmatched reliability, precision, and performance. Perfect for serious shooters who refuse to compromise on quality and protection. 10. Jericho 941 FS Compact. The Jericho 941 FS Compact is a high-quality semi-automatic pistol developed by Israel Weapon Industries IWI. Known for its reliability, durability, and solid performance, this handgun is a compact version of the original Jericho 941, making it ideal for concealed carry and personal defense. Based on the proven CZ75 design, the Jericho 941 FS Compact offers a robust steel frame, which provides excellent weight balance and helps manage recoil effectively. The pistol uses a double-action / single-action trigger mechanism and features a frame-mounted manual safety, allowing users to carry it cocked and locked if desired. Chambered in 9mm, this model typically comes with a 13 or 15-round magazine, offering ample firepower in a compact size. The ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, while the fixed combat-style sights enable quick and accurate target acquisition. Whether you're a civilian looking for a dependable sidearm, a law enforcement officer, or a collector, the Jericho 941 FS Compact stands out as a reliable choice. It has been used by various security forces around the world and is known for its rugged construction and consistent performance. In short, the Jericho 941 FS Compact is a battle-proven firearm that combines Israeli engineering with everyday practicality. 9. Bond Arms Bullpup 9. The Bond Arms Bullpup 9 is a truly unique compact pistol that breaks away from traditional handgun design. Originally developed by Boberg and later refined by Bond Arms, the Bullpup 9 is a concealed carry pistol known for its innovative reverse feed system and compact size without sacrificing barrel length. Unlike conventional semi-autos, the Bullpup 9 pulls the cartridge backward from the magazine before chambering it. This design allows the pistol to have a longer barrel, 3.35 inches, in a shorter overall length, only 5.1 inches, giving it superior ballistic performance for its size. That means you get more velocity, better accuracy, and reduced recoil, all in a subcompact package. Chambered in 9mm, the Bullpup 9 features a 7-round magazine, and it comes with rosewood grips, stainless steel slide and frame, and a double-action-only trigger that's smooth and consistent. 8. Kimber Aegis Elite Ultra. The Kimber Aegis Elite Ultra is a high-end, ultra-compact 1911-style pistol designed for concealed carry without compromising on performance, style, or accuracy. Manufactured by Kimber, a company known for its precision-crafted firearms, this model stands out with its sleek aesthetics and premium features. Chambered in 9mm or 45 ACP, the Aegis Elite Ultra features a 3-inch match-grade barrel, offering impressive accuracy for a subcompact pistol. The shortened slide and frame make it ideal for everyday carry, while the all-metal construction gives it a solid and reliable feel. One of the standout features is the stainless steel slide with front and rear cocking serrations, along with green and red fiber optic sights for fast target acquisition. The pistol also includes G10 grips, providing a secure, aggressive hold without being uncomfortable. This 1911 runs a single-action trigger that's crisp and clean, a hallmark of Kimber's design philosophy. With a 7-round magazine in 9mm, it offers sufficient capacity for personal defense, while still being easy to conceal. Whether you're a 1911 enthusiast or someone looking for a high-performance carry gun, the Kimber Aegis Elite Ultra delivers a perfect balance of style, shootability, and concealability. A premium option for those who demand excellence in a compact package. 7. SIG Sauer P229 Elite Compact. The SIG Sauer P229 Elite Compact is a top-tier handgun that blends combat-proven reliability with refined design features, making it a favorite among law enforcement, military, and civilian shooters alike. Built on the legendary P229 platform, the Elite version offers upgraded ergonomics and aesthetics without compromising performance. Chambered in 9mm 40S and W or 357S IG, the P229 Elite Compact is a DA/SA double-action/single-action pistol with a decocking lever and SRT short reset trigger system, allowing for faster, more controlled follow-up shots. Its alloy frame and stainless steel slide give it durability, while maintaining a balanced weight for daily carry. One of its standout features is the Elite beaver tail frame, which improves grip control and reduces muzzle flip. The front cocking serrations, SIG Light night sights, and custom rosewood or E2 grips elevate both function and appearance. With a 3.9-inch barrel and a 13 or 15-round magazine, depending on caliber, the P229 Elite Compact offers optimal size and capacity for concealed carry or duty use. It's also compatible with a wide range of holsters and accessories. In short, the SIG Sauer P229 Elite Compact delivers combat-level performance in a sleek, carry-friendly design, a pistol trusted by professionals and serious shooters worldwide. 6. H&K VP9 SK. The Heckler & Koch VP9 SK is the subcompact version of the popular VP9, designed for concealed carry while maintaining the performance and reliability H&K is known for. The SK stands for subcompact, and this pistol delivers everything you expect from a modern defensive handgun in a smaller, carry-friendly package. Chambered in 9mm, the VP9 SK features a 3.39-inch cold hammer-forged barrel and a standard 10-round magazine with optional 13 and 15-round extended mags available. Despite its compact size, it offers excellent ergonomics thanks to H&K's interchangeable back straps and side panels, allowing users to fully customize the grip to their hand size. The striker-fired trigger is one of the best in its class, crisp, consistent, with a clean break and short reset. It also includes ambidextrous controls, including the paddle-style magazine release and slide stop, making it fully left or right-hand friendly. The VP9 SK comes standard with 3-dot luminous sights, and it's optics-ready in some newer models. With a durable polymer frame and excellent recoil control, it's an ideal option for concealed carry, home defense, or backup duty use. In short, the H&K VP9 SK is a premium subcompact pistol offering exceptional quality, reliability, and shootability in a compact form factor. 5. SIG Sauer P365 XL Spectre Comp. The SIG Sauer P365 XL Spectre Comp is the pinnacle of SIG's ultra-compact handgun lineup, combining everyday carry practicality with competition-ready performance. Part of the Elite Custom Works Spectre series, this pistol is built for shooters who demand more from a micro-compact platform. Chambered in 9mm, the Spectre Comp features a 3.1-inch compensated barrel and integrated compensator built directly into the slide. This drastically reduces muzzle flip and felt recoil, allowing for faster, more accurate follow-up shots, a huge advantage in both defensive and competitive shooting. The X-Series flat-face trigger delivers a clean, crisp break, improving control and precision. You also get X-ray 3-day night sights and an optic-ready slide, making it fully compatible with red dot optics. Aesthetically, the Spectre Comp stands out with its laser-engraved grip module, titanium nitride gold barrel and trigger, and custom slide cuts, blending performance with premium looks. Despite its high-end features, it retains the slim, easy-to-carry profile of the original P365 XL. With a 12+1 or 17+1 round capacity, this pistol offers impressive firepower in a small package. Whether for concealed carry, range days, or serious competition, the P365 XL Spectre Comp is one of the most advanced micro-compacts on the market today. 4. Kimber Onyx Ultra 2. The Kimber Onyx Ultra 2 is a sleek, high-performance 1911-style pistol that offers a perfect blend of classic design and modern features, making it a favorite among concealed carriers and 1911 enthusiasts alike. Chambered in 45 ACP, the Onyx Ultra 2 features a 3-inch match-grade stainless steel barrel that delivers excellent accuracy in a compact frame. The pistol boasts a lightweight aluminum frame paired with a blued carbon steel slide, striking a balance between durability and reduced weight for everyday carry comfort. One of its standout features is the fiber optic front sight and adjustable rear sight, which provide quick target acquisition and precision aiming. The pistol's single-action trigger is crisp and smooth, characteristic of Kimber's reputation for refined trigger work. The grips are made from G10 material with an aggressive texture, ensuring a firm, secure hold even under recoil or sweaty conditions. At just around 20 ounces, the Onyx Ultra 2 is easy to carry concealed without feeling bulky. 3. Nighthawk Custom GRP. The Nighthawk Custom GRP is a top-tier, full-size 1911 pistol designed for precision, reliability, and rugged performance. Manufactured by Nighthawk Custom, a renowned name in the world of custom firearms, the GRP stands for Gunsmith Research Project, reflecting its development in collaboration with elite shooters. Chambered in 45 ACP, the GRP features a 5-inch match-grade barrel that offers exceptional accuracy and consistency, ideal for competition, tactical, or defensive use. The pistol's frame is made from lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy, while the slide is stainless steel, combining strength with manageable weight. One of the key highlights is the serration pattern on the slide, designed for improved grip and faster slide manipulation under stress. The GRP also comes equipped with match-grade sights, including an optional fiber optic front sight for quick target acquisition. The trigger is finely tuned, offering a smooth, crisp pull that enhances shot control and precision. The pistol's G10 grips provide a secure and comfortable hold, essential for maintaining control during rapid fire. Built for serious shooters who demand the highest quality, the Nighthawk Custom GRP blends craftsmanship, innovation, and performance into a reliable 1911 platform that's ready for both the range and real-world defense. 2. Wilson Combat EDC X9. The Wilson Combat EDC X9 is a high-end, striker-fired 9mm pistol designed for everyday carry with uncompromising quality and precision. Wilson Combat, known for its premium custom firearms, brings the same attention to detail and performance to the EDC X9, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced shooters. Chambered in 9mm, the EDC X9 features a 4-inch stainless steel barrel with a durable black nitride finish, providing corrosion resistance and longevity. The pistol's steel frame and slide add solid weight, which helps reduce recoil and improve accuracy during rapid fire. The EDC X9 incorporates a flat-faced, single-action style trigger with a clean, crisp break and short reset, enhancing shot control and precision. It also includes front and rear slide serrations for easy manipulation, even under stress. Ergonomics are top-notch with customizable grip options and a well-contoured frame that fits comfortably in most hands. The pistol comes equipped with high-visibility 3-dot sights and is optics-ready, allowing users to mount red dot sights effortlessly. With a 15+1 round capacity, the Wilson Combat EDC X9 offers excellent firepower in a compact package perfect for concealed carry, home defense, or range use. In short, it's a reliable, accurate, and beautifully crafted pistol that lives up to Wilson Combat's legendary reputation. 1. Staccato CS. The Staccato CS is a cutting-edge, compact 9mm pistol engineered for shooters who demand exceptional performance in a concealed carry package. Built by Staccato, formerly STI International, the CS stands out as one of the most refined and reliable pistols in the concealed carry market. Featuring a 3.9-inch barrel and a compact overall length, the Staccato CS balances concealability with the extended sight radius and accuracy usually reserved for larger pistols. Its steel frame and slide provide durability and weight that help reduce recoil, allowing for fast, controlled follow-up shots. One of the most impressive features of the CS is its short reset, crisp trigger with a clean break, designed to deliver competition-grade performance in a carry pistol. The pistol is optics-ready, compatible with a variety of red dot sights, and comes with high-visibility suppressor height sights. The ergonomic design includes stippling on the grip for secure handling and interchangeable back straps for a customizable fit. It holds a 12-round magazine, offering solid firepower without sacrificing compactness. Trusted by competitive shooters and professionals alike, the Staccato CS is praised for its reliability, precision, and shootability. Whether you're a daily concealed carrier or a tactical enthusiast, the CS is engineered to perform under pressure, making it a top contender in the premium compact pistol category. Choosing the right concealed carry gun means investing in quality, reliability, and performance. These 10 premium pistols offer unmatched craftsmanship and innovation, ensuring you're prepared and confident. Whether for self-defense or competition, these guns prove that sometimes spending more truly means getting the best in every shot.